Hi there, so today I just thought I'd just show you these inks. They're like AquaTint inks from Spectrum Noir. Basically they're just like watercolor liquid inks. I've got the landscape version, which will probably be like earthy colours, as it says there. I don't know. So I'm just going to open it and I'm just going to see what we get. Even though it says on the box what you get, I'll actually show you what I get. So just open up the box. Oh, spare bit of paper there. It's upside down. So there we go. I've got a little booklet. Information safety booklet. So you get some pipettes. So that's like, 6 pipettes for each one, really. And you get some brushes as well. 3 sort of round brushes and little pots of ink. Doesn't mention the colours on them. That's the only thing. But then it has the colour on there, so you can just probably imagine what colour that is. That looks like a terracotta, and that's like a indigo blue probably. That one could be a grey, I don't know. It'd be good if it actually told you what the colours were, like a yellow probably. Obviously that's a green, and obviously that's a blue, maybe a lighter blue to the other one. Yeah, so that's what you get, and you get a little palette as well. That's, people might just throw that away thinking, oh, it's just a case, but no, that's the palette to go with it. So yeah, that's what you get. So yeah, I'm not really happy about not explaining the colour or something, even though some are obvious. You can see that one's like green, got a green tint to it, so you know that's blue. That one I think is terracotta, but I'm not sure. That one's like a dark blue, maybe a bit of a purple tint to it, I don't know. I'm just not sure what that one is until I take a look at it. Yeah. So I'm going to test these out and just see what I could do with them. I'm going to pre-draw something, just something with watercolour sort of ink markers or something like that, and just test out the colours. So I've just drawn something real quickly, like a skull with a bit of a serpent thing coming through its eye. Usual stuff I don't like to draw, just to test these out. Now I've got this yellowy one, this ink. I'm not too sure about how to use it, but I'm just going to do it. And it seems to brush on quite well. The brushes are new, so a bit stiff like. So I really want to just get re-wet the brush slightly. Dab it. Just try and just play around with it really. I don't really want to. It's experimental, but I'm liking it so far. These watercolour inks. Obviously I'll be separating the colours. I just want to lay a load of this like yellow, like a browny yellow, almost like sand colour. Let's get a bit more. So I'm liking that colour. Let's try another one. Where's that purple at? Oh, wait a minute. Try this one. This might be a darker colour to this one, so just see. Brand new, so they're making the click. This looks like a darker colour. Let's get a bit, see if we can lay a bit on. Let's dry my brush slightly. Yeah, it is. It's like a darky brown colour. Let me just dab it on to put the maybe that mouth in that. Just get the darker areas. Don't matter if it dribbles. Will do anyway, because my drawing board's at like a slant. But, you know, little hair on the brush. But from what I see of these, I quite like them actually. I want to try another colour. Put the lids on them. Let's see, where's that purpley blue? I think that one's it. Give it a little shake. Actually, it's more of a blue, dark blue. I think I can maybe get away with blue on this serpent thing. Laying it on quite thick actually, but I do like the way the colours are quite solid. It's definitely worth getting these ones. I could try thinning that down, just wash a bit of that off, dry the brush, thin it up a bit. Just wash the brush completely. Because they are watercolour inks, water based stuff. But the actual looks of it, it looks like professional watercolours that you'd see in like a printed book or something like that. So yeah, I'm quite liking these. I'm glad I made a sort of on the spot decision buy, or whatever they call it. I can't remember what you call it, I know. Impulse purchase, that's it. I knew the words was there. So let's try another colour. Put the lids on. It's that light blue. Let's try this one because I wasn't quite sure which one this one was. It's got like a grey sort of look to it, but it could be like a grey tone. Let's try. Let's put the ball down. Don't want to spill it. Yeah, it's like a grey. Do like little colour washes. That's the good thing about these watercolours, is you can go over the other colours that you've already done and just, oops, I've gone over a bit of the blue, never mind. But yeah, the results look quite professional. I'm definitely glad I bought these. Let's add some darker tone drip things here and there. Obviously this isn't proper watercolour paper, so it will buckle this, you know, but I just really like the look of this. There's still them teeth looking a bit grey. Some teeth on there. But yeah, I'm going to leave that there, but I'll just put that out to the camera. You can see the sort of colours and a lot of the experimentation in this with these inks. Just have fun with them. I'm gonna definitely do more experiments and maybe try and work out some backgrounds to some of my artwork with these, because I think they'll be really, give some really good results. So yeah, expect to see more videos of me using these inks, and if you want to buy them yourself, then I suggest you do so. I'll probably leave a link in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers now!